Dinner's ready. Wow, this is a lot of delicious food. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. I hope everybody's having a great Thanksgiving, sharing with your family and friends for this holiday season. What do I have to be thankful for? There are a lot of things I have to be thankful for. First of all, I want to thank God for blessing me and my parents with good health and safety. I also want to thank you for blessing me with a wife. I love you, Chuk Chuk. And I am also grateful and thankful for all of you subscribers out there. Thank you for being a fan of my YouTube channel and other social media platforms. As you can see right here, I'm actually doing a dual purpose review. I'm actually doing this mukbang video and vlog along with reviewing this beautiful 16-piece dinnerware set, yes. So as you can see right here, we have lobster, we have shrimp, we have, this is a salt and vinegar gamer's corn hen. And of course, I have to have my vegetable intake. This is the yu choy with some oyster sauce right here. And what am I drinking? Like Miller Genuine Draft, you know, some cheap beer. And I might hit some of this chillable red. This is good stuff. I got this from grocery outlet. It was like $5.99. Trust me, if you like wine and you prefer something sweet, and this is like 7% alcohol by volume, I highly suggest this. Wow. So good and sweet too. All right, so let's go ahead and start with some rice. Let me go ahead and open this lobster. Look at how beautiful this is. This is like a $9.99 a pound per pound, a small lobster I got from 99 Ranch Market. Okay, I think this is like 1.5 pounds. Let me just up 1.5 to 2 pounds. You have to steam it for about 11 minutes. That's what I did. And also, yes, I wish Akira was still with me. Here with me, she would just be right here, and I would give her some of this, even a lobster. Rest in peace, baby girl. I love you. To Akira. Right. And what I love, it's the lobsters, like the brain parts. What I like to do is open this up. See how that, let me keep this brain in here. Some of this. This is like the tasty part. Even though it's high in cholesterol, I love eating this. What I like to do is scoop some of the rice in here. It's probably easier to use a spoon. Okay, scoop that in here and mix it up real good. By the way, I didn't season this lobster. Something about live seafood, I prefer to eat it with natural flavor. It's only when you have to flavor food when it's frozen or, you know, past expiration, whatever. See, scoop this up real good. This is how I eat my lobster. I don't know about you guys. Oh, whoa. See, it's naturally salty. I try to skip all the butter or cheese because it's all extra cholesterol and unnecessary calories. Oh, what am I doing? I totally forgot. I need some red vinegar to go with this. Yeah, first of all, let me open this tail up. Let me show you how beautiful this is. Okay. So hit me up in the comment section. How would you guys like to see me improve my channel? I know you guys like food reviews, but it's like I'm bombarded with so many product reviews that I don't know if I have time, and I'm trying to stay away from fast food, but I'll try to do my best. Okay. Put this using this salad plate. Hold on, before I go get my vinegar, you know I'm just gonna use my hand. Yu choy with oyster sauce. Let me get some of my carb intake in. I'll be right back. All right, so here's what I'm using. Another grocery outlet find. This is the Pompeian red wine vinegar. I bought like 3 or 4 of these. What I do is buy cucumber, slice it. Actually, I got that habit from visiting Vietnam because I see how Truk and her family her dad was cutting up these Vietnamese cucumber and just dipping it in sauce and stuff. That's how I got addicted to it. So many uses for red wine vinegar. You could probably even kill insects with it. Thankfully, I don't have any more fleas, so I'm gonna do that in here. I probably could have put some soy sauce, but what the heck? I don't need any more sodium. Dip it in here. That vinegar sourness goes perfect with seafood. Wow, delicious. Cheers again to all you subscribers. I want to wish you guys good health and many blessings in what you do. Open up some of this shrimp. You know, this is kind of early for me dinner. Typically, I eat really late, like 8 p.m. It's like 7 p.m. now. What I do is suck the head of the shrimp. Depending on what kind of shrimp it is, like the live shrimp, like the Vietnamese type, you can eat the whole thing. And the shell has a lot of like protein and vitamins and nutrients in it. But because it's different and it's frozen, I would not do that. When I cook shrimp, I almost never, actually I never cut it and remove the poop because it's like too much work, especially when you pan fry it. I mean, you don't even notice the difference. It's just all mental, you know. Hold on, let me finish this. Let me open up this chicken right here. Salt and vinegar chicken. Air fry for 380 degrees, about 35 minutes or so. Somewhat crispy skin. All I did was use apple cider vinegar and pink sea salt. I love doing it with chicken wings, but it's my classic now to do with the Gamish corned ham. This was not cheap, like $5.99. Sure, you could buy a whole chicken, but I don't want to eat a whole chicken, and Gamish corned ham is the right size for me, and it tastes a little bit gamier. See? How's the flavor? The skin is somewhat crispy. I should have marinated it longer. I do taste the vinegar, but I think I should have marinated like 2 days instead of just 1 day. Probably needs more salt too. I was worried it'll be too salty. But it's good though. It's good. Because when I go to Safeway or grocery stores, their wings are like way too salty. Too heavy on that. Alright. So obviously, there's no way for me to eat this whole thing in one meal. I just want to make a little mukbang video, Thanksgiving mukbang, just to show my appreciation for all you fans. I know you guys are a big fan of my food reviews. Well, let me sign off and finish what I can finish, which will be definitely the lobster first. So, once again, thank you for being a subscriber. Thank you for supporting my channel. I love you guys, and I especially love you, Chuk Chuk, and Mom and Dad. Until next time, take care of yourselves, eat hard, work harder, baby.